Hello, my beginner friend. I want you to start learning French with the right foundations. So we are going to see something that I see so often when I teach French. Coming up. Hello, my friend. My name is Claire and I am here to teach you French with a smile. So, what's the difference? This is a pronunciation thing between ent and ent. Because yes, sometimes ent is en. For instance, violent is violent. However, if it is a verb with the third person of the plural, we don't pronounce it en. Let's see that. Les enfants crient. Children scream. So I do not say criant. I say crie. Il crie. Encore une fois. Les enfants crient. Ensemble, les enfants crient. Now, we are going to see criant, but it is not they scream. It is what is called gérondif. Let's see that. Il a fait peur à son chien en criant. He scared his dog by shouting. Encore une fois. Il a fait peur à son chien en criant. Ensemble, repeat with me, my friend. Il a fait peur à son chien en criant. Is it clear? Another example for you, my friend. Les parents mangent. Parents eat. Encore une fois. Les parents mangent. Ensemble, les parents mangent. Now, the gérondif is en mangeant and not en mangeant. Therefore, I'm going to add an I after the G. Les parents parlent en mangeant. Parents talk while eating. Not very good, is it? Encore une fois, les parents parlent en mangeant. Ensemble, les parents parlent en mangeant. Yes! Excellent! Very good! Now, one-to-one lessons with a French tutor, me or someone else. Below, you have the link on Preply. You want the slides? Go to frenchwithasmile.net and I see you very soon on French with a Smile. Bye-bye!